Okay. So I just duplicated this thing. So already FFD is there. I'll just check the sofa. So this part you can see this entire thing is going down, and this also going slightly down. This corner will be slightly up. Now this one. So like this, we can see you can create only one question and repeat it and create all the variations. This fine. This goes going slightly down also. And now here again, you can see the distance is a problem. Now select all three again. FFD 2 by 2 is fine. Select this one. And control points, select this and push it inside. So now they will be exactly same size proportionately, no issue. I can see the switch on high quality will become super clean. So in cloth modifier, the main like problem is if you have more polygons, it will generate very high quality, like it will simulate this cloth very nicely and with very high quality folds and everything. But it's very heavy on CPU and GPU. So if you are working on cloth modifier, make sure switch off, close all the application, background application, everything, and then use a high, like a high res model. Otherwise, you can use a low res model and then modify it like this. Now we have those stands, cylinder, auto grid. Just create only one. F4 with too many loops. I don't want. Edit polygon. Select polygon, this one, delete it, and plus this one also delete it. Not required. Anything which is not required, make sure delete that. Reduce it, like length. Oh, it's kind of this much, and overall it's shrinking. And then extrude slightly. Oh, my bad, not like this. Scale it down, and then extrude like this. And then I can extrude this thing slightly, or extrude like this and collapse it. Close the hole. Now you have this one. Go to left view, shift. Alright, why there is a bend? I did some mistake, that means. Okay. So okay, auto grid created some issue. I can clearly see that. Now this is fine. So make sure always cross check. Vertices slightly angular, border inside, and collapse. And suppose something little I can see little off, this is not perfectly straight, so scale it like this and make sure it's perfectly straight. Now it's done. shift it, done. Attach with this, right click, front view, shift, done. And perspective, F4. You can see your sofa is ready. But most of the things are accurate and correct, no issue. Only and only this surface have issue. So isolate this one. Now I can clearly see this section have issue. So how will you fix it? I'll use cut. Like this, I'll connect everything. Because we're creating a mid poly model, so that's why I'm not reducing it. If it's a low poly model, I'll triangulate it and correct it here and reduce all these polygons. Exact same thing I'll do again. Done. Done. Now to repeat this thing, so I need to fix this. You can see I have this section also. This is not perfectly accurate. So to fix this, the easiest way is cut, connect, like this. We'll reduce this thing. So all there's no n-gons now. Only this side have n-gons. So what I'll do in between, these loops are not required at all. Select a model, apply a symmetry, flip it. Now both the sides are exactly same. You can see entire model clean. Now you can just select anything to both the sofa and it's super clean. And now if you want, you can add more, want to add more details or something, we can do that. We can make it like refine and like this corner I can see in reference, the corner is slightly tilted. I can add those small things. Usually in games we don't do that until now, unless it's a really close-up shot, or like we are have very specific reason or a specification where we are asked to create that shape. Otherwise we don't do it, because those small tiny bend and everything will take a lot of polygons. So those things are not like like those are like useless basically, because nobody will notice that. So it's like pointless to create that, those things. So now if I want, you can see like this, I have modified all the shapes. Similarly in this case also, from top view I can modify these shapes also. I can do that and fix it. You can see sofa is ready, and here is my reference to the sofa. So I can, like you can see, it's pretty easy, simple, not very complicated. Cloth simulation is not very difficult. We can do it like pretty easily. Like I can show you like some basic example. Okay, let's see this file. So far. Mhm. There's one more sofa is there. Let me see which one. Open. Something similar, the similar kind of thing. So like same process, cushion, all these things are created. So in next class I'll show you how to create curtains. How to create curtains, because the curtains are not that straightforward, like you just create a box and simulate it. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to create a little animation and plus create this effect. So you need to use a bit of animation plus simulation plus modeling, all those things to create this kind of thing. It's pretty simple, but it's take a lot of techniques. So those things are explained. You can see like it's pretty simple, just a box and create this like cushion, this curtain and sofa. So you can create things like this, and like for presentation purpose you can add a glass wall here, some texture here, some texture here, and like make it look really nice render. It will look really nice, right? So like this you can do it. You can see it's also cloth 8 poly cloth modifiers. So many things I have applied and modified everything. It's like little complex. Oh, in this I have used bend also. Yeah, you can see it's pretty turbo smooth. There's so many turbo smooth. Everything is combined. Same thing. So in next class, I'll explain how to create curtains and all, so that you have like better idea like how to use like cloth modifier and create a complex shape. Like suppose you have a table mat or a carpet, or it's like some. Okay, let's see. This is I can show you really quickly how to mirror on two axis. How to mirror and open two axis. Give me a second. After my file. If you want to mirror, select the model, click on this mirror, and now here you have options. Like what you want to do: copy instance references. Copy is basically copy of the same model. Instance is basically duplicate of the same model, but it's an instance. If you modify one, the next object also, the other object also will modify automatically. And reference is just a reference, it's nothing. So if you want to modify this thing in two direction, you see X and Y, X and Y. It will flip and create that direction. Z, and this thing I'll show you to some simple, I guess something simpler. Okay, let's, I have this one. So you can see the center, wherever I have pivot point, mirror, see X and Y. X direction symmetry plus Y. Offset, you can see, I can change, or I can use Z and Y. So Z and Y, you can see Z and Y. It flipped basically. It basically flipped, right? So it's pretty simple. It just a bit depending upon what you want to create, especially when you create modular pieces, or maybe we create the ornates or design or patterns in model, or maybe we have really like nice carved or chiseled some surface or some design is there. In that case we use it a lot. So you have to repeat things. In that case we use it. Yeah, just give me a second. I'll mark attendance. Okay, we have to, okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. There is Chimoli groups to two, add remove user. Akshay. Is this your email ID? Yes. Okay. Okay. Done. That reports. Oh, I named it 211. It should be 212. 212 will be correct one. So we have Akshay also here. Only Arnold is absent. And we got there, Prem and this guy also. I marked you present. So I'll plan out this thing. One, what do you call it? One doubt clearing session for tomorrow. By evening, I'll send you a mail. So we'll have and keep your all doubts ready. What everything, like whatever you doubt, any regarding anything regarding modeling. So we'll do it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Evening when, sir?
What?
Evening what time?
No. Today evening, I'll send you a mail for tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Like specifying your time, what time and everything, because I have other classes also, so I have to plan that timetable. So according to that, I'll send a mail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I'll
Okay,
see
sir.
you guys tomorrow. Bye.